In front of me is Xiaomi POCO M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and here you will notice fingerprint unlock, so just mark it. And at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or password. Let me choose pattern. And now, as you can see, you need to remember your lock screen correctly, because if you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device, including photos and contacts, and then set a new one. So just click on got it, and this is the pattern I want to enter. Then draw it again to confirm. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. So here you've got the fingerprint sensor, so it's the power button, and just keep tapping right here, and you will be able to observe the progress on your screen. Once it's fully added, you will be notified about it. Just lift your finger up and then put to add your fingerprint fully. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added. Now you can change your fingerprint name. So let me enter, for example, HardReset. And click on done. So as you can see, it has been renamed. It's right here. And you can obviously remove it over there, but it's not about this video. So now you can unlock it either with this backup pattern or with this added fingerprint smoothly by tapping right here. And this is it. This is how you can use the screen protection. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.